do. See what we're doing. Alright, so I don't know if this will be a quick stream or if we're going to do some more stuff with the modular functions, or maybe I'm really getting interested in making this a stream game that people can play while I go to work. That would be kind of cool. But we'll see what we can do. How's everybody doing? Watching on YouTube? How you doing? Say hello. Or I guess you can't say hello. Say hello in the comments. Leave a like. Subscribe, please. Thank you. All that fun. But let's see. What was I doing? Okay. So I recently made the pixel art generator free on the itch. I was charging for it, and that was because when I released it, I was all excited for it, which I still am. But it's when I added the shader code editor. The shader code editor allows you to do basically what the Ultimate Shader Playground is, only it's like a demo. It's not the full kit and caboodle and everything. So this is kind of a taste of what the Ultimate Shader Playground is. So that's why I made this for free. So that's why I did that, and so enjoy that. So is there anything I could do? What have I got here? Is there anything I could do? No, I don't think so. To just kind of, there's that. And let's leave that up. I don't know if I'm going to need ChatGPT or Bing or whatever. Bing now. Bing, sorry. I didn't mean to call you ChatGPT. Alright, let's see if we can do some code in game maybe, or we'll just jump right into the shader code if we don't want to do the code in game. Oh, I'm the first one. Okay. So which one is this? It's 21. Latest one. Latest one. Okay. So I'm going to use my shader playground. I'm going to jump right in. We're going to see what we've got saved here. So I've got two of them. Recent new bricks 1 is the actual bricks before I put in the thing, isn't it? Okay. That's fine because I have it all saved. So let's go to new bricks 2. Let's just, there we go. I love working with this on camera. For some reason, I just love it. Let's make it a little bigger there. So we're going to use the point size, the GL point size in the vertex shader, you notice. Okay, so that changes the size of the single point that we're drawing here. And we're drawing 3 points, okay? Because up here we've got the triangle. Check box. Okay, then we're going to go to the fragment shader. This is where all the action happens. This is where everything happens here. So we got the brick. Looks like that's the advanced brick. Then we got the new brick. And then, okay. So, so as a starter here, what I'm going to do is from the last few videos that I've made. Oh, somebody's already starting in there. Good. Get it going. So from the last few videos that I've made, see how this one's half and half? Okay, we're going to take these 4 and we're going to subdivide 1 point into 4 quadrants and draw each of these on 1/4 of the point. That's the goal. Goal number 1 of this stream. And here we go. Is that a picture? Do they have Trudeau? Is that Trudeau on his... That's hilarious if it is. Alright, fastest mode. You work at McBurgers. Uh-oh. And are responsible for cooking burgers. McBurger has N ingredients available. On your shelf you receive P burger orders. Your job is to find out whether it's possible to design all the orders with the N ingredients you have. You'll have to report back to Bob, your chef, and tell him if you have enough ingredients to make everything. Oh. I've chosen music from Stellaris this time. I hope everybody finds it enjoyable. N available ingredients. A list of ingredients. Oh, I knew there was a catch. I knew it wasn't just going to be simple math. No. P, the orders. Following P lines in order with the necessary ingredients separated by space. 5. SSMMP. Yes. 2. PMSS. 5. 2. Why is it? What? Available ingredients, a list of ingredients, and the orders. Oh. 5 SSMMP. And then 2 orders PMSS. Oh. Interesting. Okay, I don't feel like doing that because I already have kind of a plan going, but we'll let that, if it bounces around in my brain and I get to it, then we'll do it. Otherwise, no, I don't feel like doing it. I know, I'm weird. I'm weird person. So let's see what happens when we use the stripe one again. That one looks cool. See, and I know that this is going to prompt me to want to do the modular functions, okay? So stripe, we got stripe, grid size, color 1, color 2. Okay. Looks like it's pretty good. So let's go stripe, grid size, color 1, color 2. Don't have to change a thing. So update that, and they're all stripes. Okay. So the thing with this is, if you see, how did we do this before? If you subtract, oh, it goes the other way. So plus goes one way, subtraction goes the other way, which is cool. And actually we can do even more. I'm feeling adventurous. So we want to go if floor of UV if the int of the floor of uv.y we go mod 2, right, equals 0, then we want to do this. Otherwise, do the subtraction. Oh, cool. Hold on just a second. Hold on. All right, that's cool. So we go like that. That's funny. You are funny, Jeff. Here. Let's choose different colors. Hold on. I wasn't anticipating running into being able to do that, but yeah. So we have vertical, horizontal, diagonal, reverse diagonal, and then zigzag. Hold on. So then we're going to go, so we have diagonal, and let's go horizontal. Vertical, we'll do that. Okay, so let's see if we can do that, all of that with this function. And, excuse me, I just had a coffee and I love Stellaris music. It's so great. The Stellaris music. Look at that. Is that the image? Oh, the images are great too. What's this one? Doomsday? Where's the dooms? Oh, right here. So which one is that? Apocalypse. Look at that. I've never played that game, but it looks gorgeous, sounds gorgeous. Alright. So what is this one? Zigzag right now? Okay, so let's figure this out. So this is one, and this is diagonal and reverse diagonal. So what we can do is okay, we can use a boolean for that. I know, I'm getting excited now about this, what we're doing. So stripe, all that, and let's go type. Let's add a type 0. So the type 0, let's move it down as we work on it so that we can work on this a little bit closer to the main function. Okay, so 0 is going to be diagonal. So just with this right here, we can do the diagonal, the reverse diagonal, the zigzag, and then the reverse zigzag. But we want to be as efficient as possible, so let's go like this. So this one is zigzag or reverse zigzag. Let's go like this. If type equals 2 or type equals 3, that's going to be the first condition. And then we'll go and right there. So if it's type 2 or 3, we're going to get a zigzag or a reverse zigzag. So we can take those from there and put them right there. And then inside here, this is the diagonal, and this is the reverse diagonal. So why don't we set I am GUI text again. It's true. Default font, bro. How's it going? Default font. It's true. What's up, dude? How you doing? So then as we go through here, what I'm thinking is what I want to do is so let's have another so then down here so then we can just take that little bit of code because it's going to be used when we do the diagonal. So we'll set diagonal 1 there, and then if type is equal to 0, we'll just go right here. Hold on. I'll go right there. If type equals 0, then diagonal equals 1. I mistyped that, and it was right behind the cursor, and I could still see that I mistyped it because my brain recognized that. I typed it, diagonal equals 2. Okay. Actually, in order to make this a little bit better, we can just go 5. Then we'll just go diagonal. And so down here, if diagonal equals 1, we'll go like that. Actually, we'll go 1 right there, and this one will set to 0. So that's going to be 1. Hold on. Hold on. Breaking stuff. Breaking stuff. Okay, so 0, reverse, zigzag, reverse. Okay, bop, 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 bop. All right, diagonal. Horizontal and vertical, we're not going to work just yet, but we're going to get that in just a second. So let's go like this, 0. Okay. Red. Let's go green. Whoops. A little bit greener than that. Very little blue. Uh-oh, we have singing. We have singing. Okay, now just to do this here, let's go like this. Vector 2 UV equals GL point chord. So what was the thing the other? Oh, okay. So we're just gonna Actually, we can just go like that. Then we want 4 of them. Is that too much, or should we? I'm just thinking if I could reduce the code here. Let's go int type and then we can go like this. Oh, I see. We can do that too. But yeah, okay. Hold up. Do we roll it? Yeah, let's just do it that way. Hold on. Type equals 0. I'm just reducing the code a little bit. So there's only one frag color call. I kind of tend to want to gravitate towards that, so. Oh wait, what did it do? That was this one, right? Type equals 0, 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait. I've got things messed up here. What the heck, Jeff? So if x is less than 0, y is less than 0. If x is less than 0, y is greater than or equal to 0. Then we just go greater than or equal, greater than or equal, and then y is less than 0, and y is greater. Okay. What do we have? Only 2? Why do we have only 2? What did I do wrong? Which ones do we have? We have diagonal, reverse, it looks like, or diagonal and zigzag. Why do we have only two? GL point chord minus 0.5 times 2. Da, 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 da. Alright. So if x is less than 0, actually I'm kind of confused. Which ones are we getting? Why does that work, I wonder? Okay. Oh, is there a default one? Diagonal equals 5. Type is equal. Oh, because of this? No. Type equals 5 when I send it through, so that. Oh, I see. So what we need is for the type, hold on. I think, Jeff, your coffee's digesting away. Type 2 and 3, so this is type 0 and 1. Actually, it's an OR. So it's still, but it needs to be this. Okay, that's what I would expect. That doesn't even do one quadrant. So if uv.x is less than 0 and uv.y is less than 0, type equals 0. So what happens up here when type is equal to 0, right? Diagonal equals 0. Should be type equals 0, diagonal 0. It should do this. But why doesn't it? Why not? Why not? Int floor uv.x plus what? Computer? Because type is equal to 0, which sets the diagonal equal to 0. Oh, so now I get a coordinate. Alright, I'm totally confused. So the other 3 coordinates come up when I uncomment this? Interesting. Let's keep going. What have I done? What have I done? And I get nothing. And nothing, so I messed it all up. Alright. Well, so maybe it's something to do with this? Oh. Wait, we're not throwing in a UV. GL point chord. So let's just go like this. All right, let's just, here, computer. Let's do this a different way. 0.5. 0.5. 0.5. We're not doing anything weird here. Actually, before I do any of that, actually, let's just see if that works. Oh, okay. So let's do this first. The whole thing, type 0 doesn't work. So up here, again, diagonal equals 5. If type equals 0, diagonal equals 0. So type is right there. Diagonal is an integer right there. So type equals 0, diagonal equals 0, right? If type equals 0, diagonal equals 0, then they're both right here, then it should do this. Type equals 0 and diagonal equals 0, which it should. If type is 2 or 3, it'll never go in there, so those won't change. And it's just returning oh, so type 1 works. Type 2 doesn't work. There's the problem then. Type 3 doesn't work. So type 1 is the only one that works? Alright, so why is type 1 the only one that works? Why do none of the other ones work? So if type diagonal equals 5, if type equals 0, type equals 1, diagonal equals 1. Am I missing something? If type equals 0, type equals 1, and diagonal equals 1. Okay, so let's do this the hard way. Not the hard way, but the unoptimized way. So we'll take out every optimization that I just did. We're going to brute force this if it's type 2 or 3. Actually, we're just going to go... So right here we're just gonna go like this. Wait. If type 2 oh, it's because of the else. I'm an idiot. Okay, it's because of the else. Okay. Alright, how far back can we go with... Alright, and it's because of the else. It's because if it's type 2 or type 3 and that, it does one thing. Else, it does that. So it doesn't... Yeah, else is not a good option for that, Jeff. Alrighty, I'm an idiot. And now we messed it all up. So we're gonna put it all back. But at least I figured it out. That was just, I'm an idiot. Idiot. Okay, so this one should be diagonal equals 0. Okay, but we don't want the else. Jeff, what are you doing? We don't want the else. So, oh, so then you just got to make it so inefficient, though. All right. All right, I'm just hitting the reset button on all this then. All right, hold on. Here. This, as it is good. Excuse me, we're leaving that. So the first one's going to be diagonal, type 0. So if type equals 0, we're just going to do that. Let's pull it up here. Type equals 0, diagonal. Type equals 1, reverse diagonal. We're just going to brute force this up here. Take these out. We're not going to use the variable. Okay, so those will return. We won't have to worry about anything. Taking out the diagonal. Type 4 and 5 vertical and horizontal. Good luck getting to those, Jeff. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so type 2, zigzag. Type 3, reverse zigzag. Okay, so if type equals 2, then we want to go if int floor of uv dot y mod 2 equals 0. All this because I have a thought in my brain that I want to do this. I just want to do it. Okay, then we go diagonal one way, which is this one. I'm just going to copy the code. It's killing me right now. This copy paste is literally destroying my will to live. Just kidding. I am twitchy though. I'm feeling twitchy. Twitchy? Is that? I'm streaming on Twitch. Okay, then we want this. Okay, reverse diagonal was what again? Wait. Am I thinking about that right? I don't even know. Yeah, we got something wrong there. So it's type 2 and 3, right? Because negative, less than x is good. So 2 and 3 are messed up. That's what I thought just now thinking about it. Every other one because, oh, we do need an else in here. Okay, so we can do that. That's what we're missing, is just the else in there, and it's from the other one. Wait, what are we... What are we doing? I don't know. My brain has just turned to mush. I don't know why, all of a sudden. Is that better? And then this one? So what am I missing? If this is equal to 0, it does this. Otherwise, is it the other one now? So each one uses the other one? Is that... So is one of them 0 and the other one's 1? Oh, that's weird too. But it's opposite colors. You're doing it wrong. Mom never did it this way. So that's 1. Okay. So we just need to reverse the colors then too. So let's go down here. We're going to do the exact opposite down here. Color... Actually, just go 1 and 0. Is that it? Okay. Bum 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 bum. Is that what I wanted to do? Diagonal, reverse diagonal, zigzag, reverse zigzag. Okay. Yeah, that's what I wanted to do. Shoot.